Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video I'm going to guide you through how to log into Neiman Marcus credit card accounts. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Open up a web browser and in the search box at the top type in Neiman Marcus Credit Card Login and press enter. You'll end up in the next page where all of the search results are displayed according to your search. Click on this first sign-in link at the top and you'll end up in this page. Click on the sign-in button in order to log into your Neiman Marcus grade code. On the next page, type in your username in the first text box. Go ahead and type in a password on the next. Double-check your password by clicking on this little icon at the right corner, which will help reveal your password. If you'd like the system to remember you should click on the Remember Me box. But if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, leave the box unchecked. Now you may move ahead and log into your account. But if you've forgotten your username or your password during the process, and you don't know what to do next, you can retrieve your username back or reset your password by clicking on this Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the instructions and you'll be able to get out of the situation. After typing in your username and your password correct, click on the Sign In button and you'll be logged into your Neiman Marcus credit card account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll send it back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.